जय हिंद दोस्तों। स्टेनोमेड इजी पर आपका स्वागत है। स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्लिश का एक डिक्टेशन 90 वर्ड प्रति मिनट की स्पीड से। रेडी, स्टार्ट। द शॉर्ट controversy is with respect to limitation for completion of assessment in case of a person other than searched person, full stop, the assessing officer having completed the assessment on 31st 3 2016, the assessee challenged the same before the commissioner appeals and raised the question of assessment being framed after expiry of period of limitation, full stop. The commissioner appeals referred to section 153B of the Income Tax Act, 1961 as it stood at the relevant time and came to the conclusion that the order of assessment was passed after the period of limitation had expired, full stop. The relevant observations of the commissioner appeals, full stop. Before I proceed to decide the issue regarding time limit for completion of this assessment under section 153 of the act, it would be appropriate to refer to the provisions of section 153 of the act which is relevant to the issue at hand, full stop. Section 153 of the act reads as under, full stop. Time limit for completion of assessment under section 153, notwithstanding anything contained in section 153, the assessing officer shall make an order of assessment or reassessment, full stop, in respect of each assessment year falling within 6 assessment years referred to in clause within a period of 2 years from the end of the financial year in which the last of the authorizations for search under section 132 or for requisition under section 132 was executed, full stop, provided further that in case of other person referred to in section 153 of the period of limitation for making the assessment or reassessment shall be the period as referred to of this subsection or 1 year from the end of the financial year in which books of account or documents or assessed, seized or recognized are handed over under section 153 to the assessing officer having jurisdiction over such other person, whichever is later provided further that in the case where the last of the authorizations for search under section 132 or for requisition under section 132 was executed during the financial year commencing on the first day of April, 2004 or any subsequent financial year, full stop, the period of limitation for making the assessment or reassessment in case of other person referred to in section 153. Stop.